Are you wondering how to increase height fastly after 18? It is all about removing the decompressions on the vertebrae. The height of the human body has influence from multiple factors like environment, hormones, genes, and nutrition. If you have a strong determination, you can improve your height, even at your mid 20s. Exercising is one of the best way to increase height fastly and grow taller. Here is how to increase height with some exercises. Swimming enables you to use your legs body to the fullest and thus develop muscle strength, especially if you want to escape the heat and sweat during your workout session. Then swimming is the best exercise. Breaststroke is the most suitable swimming style to increase your height. Vertical bend makes the muscle of the calf area to expand in vertical direction and thereby improve your height. So here is the steps to follow. First of all, stand up and position your legs slightly apart. Then bend down and try to touch the floor without bending your knees. And try to do some repetitions. The more the number of times you jump, the more likely you will succeed in making your legs longer. Here is the steps to follow. While jumping, make sure your both legs leave the surface at the same time and land on the surface at the same time. Jogging is the one of the best exercise to increase height that you can't miss out if you are desperate about making your legs longer. Jogging helps you to grow your leg bones naturally and make them stronger. Jogging works like magic to increase your height. The cobra pose stretch muscles in the shoulders, chest, abdominal while strengthening the spine. Here is the steps to follow. Lie on the floor with face down. Place your palms on the floor under your shoulders. Lift your chin while arcing your spine to form an elevated angle. Arc back as far as possible for at least 30 seconds. Repeat the stretch 1 or 2 times. Bowing the back and upper body will always result in increasing your height. The upper body is tough to develop, but with lower lunge arc, you can strengthen and stretch out your back. Here is the steps to follow. Lock your two palms with your fingers and stretch your arms to the front of your leg. Bend your right leg and stretch out your left leg while you do the step 1. Stretch as far as you can and stay in the pose for 30 seconds at least. Side stretch will make the muscle grow and make them elongated as well. While doing a side stretch, make sure you feel the muscles pull all along your side from your lower back and up to your shoulders. Here is the steps to follow. Stand straight with your feet together. Clasp your hands together, stretching over your head. Bend your upper body to the right. Hold the stretch for 20 seconds and get back to the straight position. Repeat the stretch 2 times and switch the position to the opposite side. This exercise to increase height flexes your spines, leg muscles and make your bones grow longer. Here is the steps to follow. Start with positioning your all 4 hands and knees on the mat. Line up your knees with the hip and your hands with the shoulder. Tangle your toes and walk your hands forward few inches. Stretch your hip backward halfway to your feet and feel good stretch in the lower body. Hold this position for 60 seconds and then relax. Hopping exercise to increase height is one of the best fun exercise. This exercise plays a huge role in strengthening your abdominal muscle and promises a thorough workout for your lower body. Here is the steps to follow. Hold on your left leg 10 times. Position your hands straight up, pointing towards the sky. Hold on your right leg similarly. Hanging your body with the support of your hand thus helps you stretch out your muscles. People hang down on a bar to take this exercise to increase height on extra mile. Do 2 or 3 pull-ups. Here is the steps to follow. Jump up and hang on the bar. Keep your arms and spines straight. Remain in the position for 30 seconds. Repeat the same at least 3 times a day. How many hours of the day you generally sit? Do you know that sitting for very long hours affect your height? The changing shape of the spine and the associated muscles imbalanced are caused by prolonged periods of sitting, which affects the growth of your body. The pelvic shift is the one of the best exercise to increase height and to away from the negative results of sitting. Here is the steps to follow. Lie on the mat with the shoulder flat on the floor. Keep your arms stretched out on the side with palms down. Bend your knees and draw your feet close to the buttocks. Arch your back so that the pelvis is lifted. Tuck the buttocks and let the leg and shoulders support your weight. Hold the position for at least 30 seconds and repeat it. For more videos like this, stick with us by subscribing our channel.